Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you how we can use the mixer brush tool to create a nice pearl brush. Just follow the steps that I show you today, and you'll be able to create any type of brush type that you like in the future. I'll be using pearls today. As you can see here, this image of a nice black fabric, and I have an image here of a nice pearl. So this here is our mixer brush tool, okay? Now what you need to do is find the source point, and you do that by simply pressing Option click for Mac users or Alt click for Window users, like so. And then what you need to do here is come up to your brush settings panel. If you click that open, what you'll find is you have your spacing. Now you may see it like this. So all you need to do is increase the spacing just to get to a point where you're happy with each of those pearls there. Probably say a little bit like that there would be nice. Then come to our layers. I'm just going to add a layer on top just so that we work non-destructively. Let's take this layer to the bin there, delete it. Yes, make sure that layer highlighted, and I can come through and create my pearl brush like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you use the mixer brush tool to create a nice pearl brush. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.